Be honest. How angry are you that you were tricked? Don't worry, I was tricked too. But how pissed off are you that you are sitting down at a computer and you're literally doing clerical work and they disguise it as you being an entrepreneur doing like having your own marketing agency. So if you go to Google, you'll notice that having a marketing agency, especially at the beginning, is just a clerical job that you don't get paid for. Did you know that? Why? Because you're doing paperwork. You have to put together proposals and send out multiple proposals and try to get contracts signed. Not just that, you're constantly scraping emails on a daily basis, putting them into the Instantly software and trying to do outreach through SMS blast or DMs and all of that stuff. That's clerical work. Following up through email with potential prospects. That's literally a clerical job. And to tell you the truth, most of you guys aren't even getting paid to do it. All right, so let's switch hats right here because that's what you need to do. You need to switch damn hats. Stop being a clerical 9 to 5er. At least at a job doing administrative office duties and stuff, you probably got paid at least $10 to $12 an hour, right? Only to get convinced by buying some marketing guru's course that you were freeing yourself. You were taking off the chains of oppression and everything like that. But let me tell you, it is depressing. You understand what I'm saying? When you're constantly sending out email blast after email blast, trying to get appointments. Some of you guys are running Facebook ads trying to get appointments and spending money that you barely even have or shouldn't even be spending on this just to get on the phone with these people, and they just wanted to ask you, a little bit more about it. Oh, I still need to talk to my partner or my wife or something like that. If you're not on an advanced level of sales and stuff, you won't even know how to overcome those objections. But these courses aren't that transparent about it. Now, I used to be captivated by the fact that you can get a business owner, a complete stranger, to pay you $1,000 to $5,000 a month, supposedly up front, when you haven't even done anything for them, which is why it's so difficult to get them to say yes in the first place. I used to be captured by that as well until I realized that every time I got another one to tell me yes and to give me money, it was a struggle to keep them on. Even if I got them results, even if I ranked their website or got them new customers, they eventually reach this point where they feel like they don't need you for real and want to cancel the service more times than not, okay? On top of that, I noticed that it took me more time to do the fulfillment than when I had a freaking 9 to 5 job. And even when I tried to outsource the work to VAs in the Philippines or something like that, they had so many questions that I started having feelings that, I might as well be doing this my damn self, right? So a lot of you guys are experiencing that right now. So you end up starting to go back to answer the calls yourself, get on the Zoom calls yourself, and try to close these people just because you're in this loop where you don't know what to do. You definitely don't want to go back to your 9 to 5 job, but you've already been sold on this marketing agency lifestyle, and you're just thinking maybe it's something you're missing. But the one thing you're missing that these marketing fake gurus won't tell you is freedom. Why do you think they all sell off their agencies? All right, I'll say at least 98% of the marketing gurus that you bought a course from have already or are already preparing to, if they are even as successful as they claim to be, they're preparing or already have sold their marketing agency. But they'll sell you the agency lifestyle, right? So I was thrown off from the agency lifestyle a long time ago, all the way back close to when I started. All right, around 2018, 19, I started taking my SEO skills and marketing skills, and I started figuring out how to run this traffic to CPA offers and affiliate offers, and try to attempt to use the skills I was giving these unappreciative business owners to bring money to myself. So I discovered a couple business models that I'm going to give to you guys where you can free yourself from being an agency owner, which is code for a slave. Okay, you're pretty much worse off than you were when you had a 9-to-5 job. The only difference is you might get paid a little bit more, but what's the difference between that and being an NFL slave? These dudes get sued all the time. Their bodies get broken up. Their women take all of their money and they still can't live how they want to because they're controlled by the NFL and the government. Anyway, we ain't gonna go into all of that. So right now you're just a high paid slave if you have a marketing agency that has clients. You don't want clients. Change your verbiage. You want partners. Okay, so in the business models that we show you, we teach you drop servicing, where you become a third-party service provider. You do not do the fulfillment. You just build the brand as if you are the one doing the service ethically, and you get the results and everything like that through the partner. Okay, so you bring in the jobs, you get your cut, and the partner gets their cut. And the second way that you can free yourself from your agency is with something we call agency to partner, where you simply convert the clients that you have. You take the clients that you currently have right now, and you convert them to partners. This is where you can get profit share, and this is where you can get equity share in the company. This is not the same business model as the growth operator business model. We plug in 10 monetizations. All right, with these 10 monetization methods, you pretty much become one with the company. The only way to shut you out is for them to shut down. You only need maybe one partner to be able to reach your 6-figure or 7-figure goals if you select the right partner that's already profitable in a way. Okay, so I was tricked, but I got out. It's like joining a cult. Some people like stay in that cult until they make you drink the Kool-Aid. You get your Jim Jones treatment. You understand what I'm saying? You go down with them, right? All these Ty Lopez's and all of these people, you end up going down with them, right? Other people, they get in the cult, like I was, and they look around and say, hey, this ain't what I thought it was. Where's the door? That is what I'm offering you guys right now, okay? Hey, do what you do. I'm not trying to be salesy, but if you spending more hours than you wish to be, you know what I'm saying, prospecting, getting on calls, because you use half of your energy sending out the emails, collecting the data, and doing all of that stuff, of dealing with ads and stuff. Then the other half of the energy, when they do respond, you're supposed to magically still feel like getting on the call with these people. This is the reason why you don't really get the deals, because you already drained from trying to get the freaking calls in the first place. Yeah, I get it. I know. So you want to free yourself. Become an anti-agency. In the first pinned comment, you'll see how to do that exactly.